Good evening, viewers. I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today we have this question that says we should simplify 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 all over x squared minus 1. We are asked to simplify this expression. That means we are asked to reduce this expression to its lowest term. And to do this, we have a quadratic expression as the numerator because 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 is a quadratic expression, while x squared minus 1 is a perfect square. So we are going to take them one by one. After simplifying them, we now see if we can get a common factor that can divide each other, okay, so that we'll be able to get our answer. Now, let us simplify the quadratic expression, which is the numerator. Simplifying 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. Let's use factorization method to see if we can get the factors of this expression. To factorize this type of quadratic expression, because the coefficient of x squared is more than 1, in this case now it is 5, use this 5 to multiply the constant, which is minus 2. It will give us minus 10. So you just put down minus 10 somewhere, okay? Now look for two numbers such that when you multiply the two numbers, they will give you minus 10. And when you add the two numbers, they will give you plus 3, okay? So we are looking for two numbers. When we multiply the two numbers, they will give us minus 10. But when we add up the two numbers, they will give us plus 3. The numbers should be 5 and minus 2, okay? Because when we multiply 5 and minus 2, we will have minus 10. And when we add up 5 and minus 2, we will have plus 3, okay? Because plus minus is minus. 5 minus 2 will give us 3, and 3 means plus 3. Okay, so we are going to use 5 and minus 2, okay? So here, you just put down 5x squared. Instead of writing plus 3x, you just write plus 5x minus 2x, because 5x minus 2x, when you add it up, they will give you 3. And when you multiply them, they will give you minus 10, okay? So that is why we remove 3 here and replace 3 with 5x minus 2, because 5x minus 2 will still give us plus 3. Okay, next thing is to put them inside brackets, okay? That's the next thing. Group them in twos in brackets. Then we have 2x minus 2, okay? Now, what is common inside the first bracket? We see that 5 is common, x is also common. Now let's use this x to divide x squared. We are left with x, okay, because we have already taken 5. Then plus 5x, we eliminate 5x here, so we are left with 1. Then minus, what is common here should be 2. Open your bracket. The next thing is x. Then minus times minus will give us plus, okay? Then we write 1, because 2 will divide 2 to give you 1, okay? Now you see that the two brackets are the same. Okay, let's finish it up here. From here, we are going to group 5x and minus 2 in one bracket. So we have 5x minus 2 in one bracket. Then in the other bracket, you just pick any of these ones because they are the same. Okay, so this is how to simplify this quadratic expression. So this is the result of simplification, 5x minus 2 into x plus 1. Now let's simplify x squared minus 1, which is the denominator, okay? Simplifying the denominator, I told you earlier on that x squared minus 1 is a perfect square. Why is it a perfect square? It's a perfect square because we can simply square 1, and you know that 1 squared is the same thing as 1. So nothing has changed. x squared minus 1 squared is a perfect square, okay? And if you want to expand this perfect square, just open two brackets, okay? When you open two brackets, the first thing here will be x, here will be x. Then we have the first minus 1. Now the second bracket will be plus 1, okay? When you close this bracket, you will get back this perfect square. Okay, so we have this and we have this. Therefore, let us now go to the question. The question says 5x squared plus 3x minus 2, and it gave us this bracket. So let's put down the bracket here. We have 5x minus 2 in one bracket. Then in the other bracket, we have x plus 1. Then all over, the perfect square gave us two brackets, x minus 1, the first bracket, then second one gave us x plus 1, okay? So this is what we have now. Therefore, x plus 1, we just eliminate x plus 1, and we are left with 5x minus 2 all over x minus 1, and this is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget that this tutorial was brought to you by Buchi Online Maths. So please visit our Facebook page, Buchi Online Maths, like our page and share our videos. Also on YouTube channel, Buchi Online Maths. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.